Hi guys, I thought we would do some cook-alongs at home with a few simple recipes for your tea. With Easter being coming up this weekend, I thought we'd do a melting chocolate pudding. Really simple restaurant dish which you can create at home. So we've got 75 grams of dark chocolate, 75 grams of unsalted butter, 75 grams of plain flour, 90 grams of caster sugar, 2 egg yolks and 1 whole egg. Very simple, it takes less than 10 minutes to put together. So first jobs, we're going to put the chocolate and the butter over a pan of hot water to melt. That's stage 1. Okay guys, stage 2 now. We're going to take the eggs and so it's 1 egg, 2 yolks, 90 grams of the caster sugar, and we're just going to whisk. Now, really good whisk. If you've got an electric mixer, then much quicker, but since we're doing small quantities, we're okay just like this, and we just want to whisk it till nice and pale. Let's get plenty of variation in there. You can see already it's starting to change colour now. So just leave that to one side. Once the chocolate and the butter have melted, see that now, lovely shine. We're just going to place that to one side now, just to cool, ready to be mixed into our egg mixture. That's stage 2. Okay, so just while we're waiting for the chocolate to cool down, let's do the moulds. So just taking a little bit of butter, and all we're going to do, just moving it around the Darrow moulds. Now if you haven't got any basins like this, then you could use this in ramekins, but we're wanting to turn this pudding out so that we can see the melting chocolate effect in the middle. Take some cocoa powder and just pour into the mix for your butter. Moving around, quick tap. There we have our lined moulds. This will just help the pudding rise and stop it from sticking. So now everything's cool. We've got our egg mixture all ready. When you can do a nice figure of 8 ribbon stage, that's what you're looking for. Add the chocolate and butter mixture. To the mix. Take your flour, sieve that so we've got no lumps. And then gently just fold your mixtures with a spatula or a wooden spoon, and then you start to see now it changing. Just want to mix it, we don't want to knock any air out of the mixture. So here we've got now our lovely mix. All we want to do now is separate into our moulds and refrigerate. This should make 6, or if we're a little bit greedy and want a little bit more chocolate, then make 4 nice size ones, but they will rise, so 1/3 of the container is enough. And then we're going to place these into the fridge, and probably better if you leave these overnight. You can make these well in advance, they'll last in the fridge, no problem. So our puddings have been in the fridge overnight now. We're going to pop them in the oven on 160, gas mark 3, for 5 to 6 minutes till cooked. Okay, so we take the pudding out of the oven, just let that rest. Ideally, you'd like to let that rest for a minute or so, and then we're just going to help it with a little knife to release with a cloth, but these are chef hands, onto a plate. Out comes our pudding, a little slice in the middle, and enjoy the melting chocolate pudding. Okay guys, that's all for the first recipe. Hope you enjoy that. Have a good Easter and stay safe.